Hi guys, so today I'm doing some testing. I have here a base. As you can see, this is 900 megahertz Trimble 852, right? So, and it's broadcasting on channel 7. And I have a radio, a 400 megahertz radio on channel 0. It's transmitting, connected to this base, just hooked it up the usual. And here I have a 900 SPS 985, right, where it's already connected to the base, as you guys can see, right? Of course, because I'm by the house, I'm not picking up many satellites, but I am this. So I have to kind of click on it here. Yeah, come on, pick it up. Okay, so yeah, see, we get a base name 981, which is all what I call that base here. If you wanna double check that, if I go to mode settings, see 981 CL. And here on my AC, I have a 881, the old style, which is the 400 megahertz 881. And as you can see, same idea. I am connected to, oops, wrong one here. No, where did I, here? Oh, I'm fixed already, but where do I get the base info here? No, I did it right there, hey? Whatever. Oh, there we go. This is what I see, 981 CL. So one base, 900 and 400 at the same time. So if you guys have more questions about it, you gotta, and the survey dog here, you gotta give me a shout, right? And yeah, see, beautiful. Everything is connected. Yeah, and this one is broadcasting and everything is doing